Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is basic chocolate cake. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup powdered sugar, half cup milk at room temperature and half cup oil, half teaspoon baking powder, 6 teaspoon cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, pinch of salt and 1 raw egg. In 1/4 cup of lukewarm water, add 1/4 of instant coffee and mix well. Now, in a bowl, we'll sieve all the dry ingredients. First, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour and sieve it properly. Now we'll add 1 cup of powdered sugar. आप देख सकते हैं कि जितना मैंने मैदा लिया था उतना ही मैंने शुगर लिया है. If you like more sweet, then you can add more sugar. Now add 6 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Now add half teaspoons of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt and sieve all the ingredients. Now mix everything well. It might seem like sifting dry ingredients is an unnecessary step, but it helps to get the lumps out. Now we'll add half cup of oil to the dry ingredients. Now add 1 raw egg. Now add half cup of milk and mix all the ingredients. Add more milk if required and mix everything well. You can see at this stage the batter is so thick because we are still remaining to add instant coffee and vanilla essence. Now add instant coffee in 2 portions. First half then the other half. Whisk all the ingredients nicely. Now add vanilla essence. Whisk your batter very nicely. The more you whisk, the better your batter will be. You can see the consistency of the batter. It is neither so thick nor so thin, and as well as you can see the bubbles on the batter. As we are making this cake in pressure cooker, we'll remove its whistle but don't remove its ring. At base of the pressure cooker, spread sand and let it preheat for 10 minutes at medium flame. Till then, add chopped dry fruits to the batter. This is optional. Mix it. Now as you can see, I have taken ऐसा German का ganj and I have greased it with oil. Now pour the batter in it. Now you can garnish it with some dry fruits at top. This is also optional. As Our cooker is preheated for 10 minutes. Now we'll place the ring like this on base. Now we'll place our ganj or whatever you say in the cooker. Close the cooker and let it cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium flame. After 30 to 35 minutes, it's time to check our cake. Whoa, it smells amazing. Put the knife in cake and check if it's cooked or not properly. Yeah, if the knife comes out clearly, then it is cooked. Now it's time to take our cake out. You guys know this यार, how to take the cake out. ये ऐसा ही निकालना है जैसा दिख रहा है. Now you can see our cake is looking very soft and spongy and it is looking कि अच्छे से cook हो गया है. बट हम देख लेते हैं कि अंदर से हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. Yes, it is soft and spongy from inside too. Thank you guys for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.